Hello students, let us recall what we have learned in the previous sessions. Natural resources. The various resources which are obtained from the nature are called natural resources. For example, air, water, soil, etc. Classes of natural resources are exhaustible resources, inexhaustible resources. Exhaustible natural resources. The resources which are limited in the nature and can be exhausted very soon by human activities are called exhaustible natural resources. For example, forests, coal, petroleum, minerals, wildlife and natural gas. Inexhaustible natural resources. The resources which are present in unlimited quantity in nature and are likely to be exhausted by human activities are called inexhaustible natural resources. For example, air and sunlight. Fossils. The remains of dead plants and animals which are buried under the rocks millions of years ago are called fossils. Fossil fuels. The fuels formed by the remains of dead plants and animals are called fossil fuels. Coal. It is a fossil fuel formed by deeply buried remains of vegetation under compression, high pressure and high temperature over millions of years. Carbonization. As coal contains mainly carbon, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. Coke. It is a tough, porous and black substance obtained from coal. It is an almost pure form of carbon. Destructive distillation. The process of heating of wood or coal in the absence of air is called destructive distillation. Look at the picture. This shows the destructive distillation of coal, during which the coal is heated in the absence of air. There is a formation of coke, coal tar and coal gas. Coal gas. It is a gas obtained during the processing of coal to get coke. It can be used as a source of light and heat. Coal tar. It is a black thick liquid obtained as the product during the processing of coal to get coke. It is a mixture of 200 substances. Its many products are used as starting materials for manufacturing a large number of substances such as dyes, drugs, perfumes, naphthalene balls. Coal tar was also used for metaling the road. Nowadays, a petroleum product, bitumen, is used for metaling the roads. Petroleum is a fossil fuel. Petrol and diesel are obtained from petroleum. Petrol is used as a fuel in light automobiles such as motorcycles, scooters and cars. Heavy motor vehicles like trucks and tractors run on diesel. Let us learn how petroleum was formed. Petroleum was formed from organisms living in the sea. As these organisms died, their bodies settled at the bottom of the sea and got covered with layers of sand and clay. Over millions of years, absence of air, high temperature and high pressure transformed the dead organisms into petroleum and natural gas. Look at the picture. It shows the deposits of petroleum and natural gas. The layer containing petroleum oil and gas is above that of water because oil and gas are lighter than water and do not mix with it. Petroleum is a dark oily liquid. It has an unpleasant odor. It is a mixture of various constituents such as petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, etc. The refining of petroleum. What is refining? The process of separating the various constituents or fractions of petroleum is known as refining. It is carried out in a petroleum refinery. Various constituents of petroleum has various uses.